In this video, you'll learn how to enable dark mode on Udemy. This feature helps reduce eye strain by offering a darker interface, making it easier to study for extended periods. First, open the Udemy website or launch the mobile app on your device. If you are not signed in yet, enter your login credentials to access your account. After successfully logging in, locate your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. Next, look for the preferences or appearance settings within the account options. Depending on your platform, this may be labeled differently, but you should see an option related to display or theme settings. Click on this section to proceed. If dark mode is available, you will see an option to switch between light and dark themes. Once you have accessed the display settings, locate the dark mode option. It may be presented as a toggle or a selection button. Click on this dark mode option to activate it. The interface will respond immediately, switching to a darker background that enhances visibility and comfort during your study sessions. After enabling dark mode, take a moment to explore the new interface. You should notice that text colors have adjusted to provide optimal contrast against the darker background. This change is especially beneficial during nighttime study or in low light environments. If you decide to revert to the light mode at any point, simply follow the same steps and select the light mode option in the display settings. Remember that the availability of dark mode may depend on the platform version you are using, so ensure your app or browser is updated for the best experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.